Hi guys, welcome back to Niwa Japanese Kitchen. So my family went to the fish market in Tokyo and there's a very popular street stall where it only carries Japanese egg omelette with 80 years history behind. And we went there and watched how they make. And I was very shocked by how they make differently compared to my way. So I thought it'd be nice to recreate in my kitchen and show you exactly how they do it. That was my original plan, but then it's behind the scene. こんなに下手な卵焼き始めちょっとこれはやばいなんでこんななんだろう I tried 10 times using more than 30 eggs but failed every time, so I was so disappointed that day. In this video, I'm showing my usual way, but don't go away, don't disappoint it because I have been making egg omelette more than 1000 times in my life. So it's still gonna be good, still gonna be a clear tutorial, I hope. So let's get started.
I have 3 eggs, sugar, mirin, fish stock powder, and soy sauce. Collect 3 eggs, whisk them together until you reach the uniform yellow color. Then in goes 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of fish stock powder, 1 teaspoon of mirin, and 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce. Usually Japanese egg omelette does contain sugar, but I try to eliminate the sugar as much as possible. If that's the case, I use amazake as a sweetener. Amazake is a healthy sweetener made of Japanese malted rice. If you want to know more about these Japanese healthy condiments, let me know in the comment section. Put on mid-high heat, grease the pan well heated and well greased before you pour the egg mixture is very important. It will prevent the egg from sticking at the bottom. To nora, drip just a tiny bit of egg mixture. If you hear the sizzling sound and not runny, then you are good to go. Pour 1/4 of egg mixture, spread evenly. Once you pour egg mixture, reduce the heat to low. When I was experimenting the professional way, I was cooking with high heat and pouring half of egg mixture at once because that's the way I saw in the fish market. However, what happened was a disaster. Outside is burned, but the inside is not cooked at all. It's more close to the souffle pancake with a strong bitterness. So the point is, keep low heat and not to pour too much egg mixture at once. In 10 seconds or so, you will see the edge is getting dry, but the surface is still runny. At this point, flip from the edge using chopstick. You want to do it quickly, otherwise the egg will be overcooked and dry up. Keep rolling towards the end, then grease the pan. Slide your egg omelette and grease the pan again. Pour 1/3 of the remaining egg mixture, then spread. Make sure the egg mixture will go under the roll from the second time, then keep rolling. I have this rectangular pan. This is what's gonna help you to achieve the perfect shape of your egg omelette. If you want one, you can always find the shop link on the box below. Then grease the pan well. I'm using rice oil, which has a high smoking point, but of course you can use any oil you have on hand. I'm switching around between low heat to mid heat. You want to hear the sizzling sound when you pour the egg mixture, but don't want to burn too much. Then repeat the same thing. Pour half of egg mixture. If it's your first time, it might take you longer time to flip it. If that's the case, reduce the heat to low to prevent from burning. If your egg is too runny to flip, then increase the heat to medium. Each soup works differently, so you want to make a couple of times to become a best friend with your own soup top. Pour the rest of egg mixture, spread, letting egg mixture go under the roll, then start rolling. The last layer is important since it's gonna be the outside of your roll. The trick is you want to open the chopstick widely so that it's stabilized, or of course you can use a spatula. Use the edge of the pan to fix the shape, making sure all the surface is equally cooked. Off the heat. And before you cut, let them sit until it's cooled down. It will continue to cook with residual heat, plus it's gonna be easier to cut. Now let me cut this. This is how it looks. Nothing really special, but great for the bento box and Japanese-style breakfast. By the way, I didn't throw away my failed masterpieces from yesterday. I mixed into salad and fried rice. To make a perfect egg omelette, you do need some practice. So here is the recap of this video. Make sure to heat your pan well before you pour the egg mixture. Grease the pan well. Once you pour the egg mixture, keep mid-heat or low heat. Don't cut when the egg omelette is still hot.
I hope you enjoyed today's video, including my mistakes. And if you make one, please tag me on Instagram or Facebook because I just love and enjoy to see your creations in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!